has discovered he's got some bees up in a tree here, and his wife wants them to be removed. So that's the plan for today. We're going to get them into a small nuke and move them over to the yard.
Whoa. Yeah.
Fresh comb.
My goodness.
Very nice.
She could just, at this point with this being new, there's no actual honey yet.
There might be some nectar. Come on, girl, get out the way. You can see this is all pollen, this dark stuff in here. That's pollen. And there's a little bit of nectar in there. You gotta remember, bees, they really don't want to sting you, because if they sting you, that's like a suicide, kamikaze type thing.
Yeah.
Why are you guys all clustered here? The queen will have a larger, darker abdomen. Really soft comb. Oh, there she is. Come here, girl. There's the queen. Woo! Mission accomplished. Pretty little caramel. Mission 2 accomplished. All we got to do now is get her in the box and get the rest of the bees. These bees are really calm. They have not made any problems whatsoever. Very typical young hive.
Does the honeycomb lose that yellowish appearance it has now once it...
Yeah, over time, actually, like I said, this is really new. Over time, it'll get darker and darker because they reuse it every time. So about after 2 years, this would have been black and very hard. But this is super fresh comb.
Yeah.
These are all nurse bees, which are really young bees. When they first hatch, they come out, they're basically relegated to housekeeping until they get big and strong. Taking care of the larva, feeding the larva, capping, fanning.
Would you be able to make any guesstimate as to the colony size?
It's a fair-sized colony. I'd say it's probably about, I don't know, 10,000 bees.
10,000.
Yeah. They've been here, my guess is they've been here about a week. Comb's still really fresh. The colony size is still relatively small. As I get this smoker going, we'll drive them back down in, put the top on, and set it up in the tree, or set it up on the ladder. See how that little guy right there? She's sticking her butt up in the air and fanning. There's a couple more over here. They're sending out a pheromone. As more and more orientate into that pheromone, it'll get stronger. It's a lemony kind of smell. Yeah, now we're looking at it. Coming back in.
Well, you know, it used to be here. What happened?
Yeah. This is a sugar syrup. This is a really young colony. That's why I put an entrance feeder up there with a little bit of sugar water just to keep them going. It's been so wet out the last couple of days that it's been hard for them to collect.